Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful umbrella step by step. Let's start drawing. To draw an umbrella, I will first round it like this from the top. Then I'll draw small curved lines down like this. What I'm drawing now is the handle of an umbrella. Now I'm drawing clouds in the sky. Then I'll draw the rain. Wow! Awesome! Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm doing aqua color first. Green color. This is orange color. Pink color. Yellow color. Wow, that's great! Peach color. Blue color. Rain is blue color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!